What's up guys, Techno Review here. In this video we'll be showing you guys 8 most awesome Android tricks which you can perform on almost any Android devices. So these tricks doesn't have any requirements like Android Oreo or you need to have root access or something. You don't need to have anything. It will work on a basic Android device as well. So without further ado, let's get started. Before starting this video, make sure to hit the red subscribe button on our channel and also press the bell icon beside it as to get quick notifications of our new uploads. So at first, let's talk about a trick which works in various situations, like if you are in a party or if you are in a club and a song is playing in the background, then you want to know the name of the song and you ask your friend that what is the name of the song which is playing right now. So you don't need to ask your friend or you don't need to do anything else rather than using your smartphone. So what you need to do, you just need to install this application. So basically we just need to get into the Play Store and we need to search for Shazam. So you just need to search for Shazam and you need to install the application. So once the application is installed, you don't need to open the application or something. You just need to get into your home screen of your Android phone and then tap and hold on the home screen, select widgets option and select the Shazam widget. Tap and hold it and place it on your home screen. So once the widget is placed on your home screen, then whenever you are in a party or you are anywhere else where a song is playing and you want to know the name of the song, just let the song play in the background and tap on the widget which you had placed right now, and within few seconds it will detect the song playing in the background and you will get to know the name of the song. Now the next trick is very exciting, as with this trick you will be able to use your phone's data connection, that means a 4G or 3G connection, while being on airplane mode. So it's a very useful trick, like if you're in a situation that you want to keep your phone in airplane mode but still you want to use the phone's internet, then you can use this particular Android trick and you can do it very easily. So simply what you need to do, you just need to get into the dialer and you need to enter star hash 4636 #*. So make sure to dial this particular number, and once you dial this number, you don't need to tap on call or something. It will automatically get you into the option. Now in the options you will find an option called phone information. So in the phone information you will get an option called mobile radio power. So you will get this option. It might be something else like radio, mobile radio or something, depending on which smartphone you're using. In most of the smartphones you will get mobile radio power. So here you can see on our smartphone we are in airplane mode right now, and we just need to enable this option mobile radio power. So once you enable the option mobile radio power, after a few seconds it will enable the mobile internet connection or the 4G connection of your smartphone being on airplane mode. So now I will quickly get into the YouTube application, and here you can see it is working. The mobile data connection has been enabled in the background. It might not show 4G or something. It won't show the data connection active as an icon in the status bar of your smartphone, but it will be active in the background. So if you have mobile data active, then it will work for sure. But in some smartphones like Samsung phones, it might not work, but in most of the phones like OnePlus or Xiaomi or various other phones, it will work for sure. So definitely try this cool trick out on your Android smartphone. Now the next trick is also very useful, as with this trick you will get to know that which applications has been used even when those applications are not in the recent application page. Like if your friend was using your phone and after using the smartphone he had went into the recent app page and then he had removed all these recent applications from this page. So once the applications have been removed from the recent app page, then also you can know that which applications your friend has used. Just like the previous trick, you need to get into the dialer and you need to type in star hash 4636 #*. Now once you get into the same options, now you don't need to get into phone information, but instead you need to get into usage statistics. So once you get into the usage statistics, then you will get to see all the applications which have been recently used on your smartphone. Now the next trick is very useful, as while we are typing in any of the messaging application or social media applications, while we're typing with the phone's keyboard, then sometimes we need to edit the text which we had typed. So in case of editing the text, then we need to move the cursor on the text field, right? In order to move the cursor, we need to tap on a place where we need to keep the cursor, or else there is another way on how you can move the cursor on the text field. So if you're using the Google keyboard, then you can swipe on the space bar of the Google keyboard in order to move the cursor left or right. But in this trick, we are not going to follow that stuff, as we have another way on how we can move the cursor on the text field very easily with the help of the volume buttons on our smartphone. So in order to do that, we just need to get in the Play Store and we need to search for this application called Cursor Control. Install it, and after installing Cursor Control, you need to open the application. Simply after opening the applications, you need to enable the option which is the first option. Once you do that, you need to enable the accessibility or whatever permissions. You just need to follow that and you need to enable the permissions. So once you do that, after that, you need to go back to the application and you need to start the application. Down here, you'll get the plus button. Just tap on the plus button and you need to select the application on which you want to perform volume button cursor control action. In here, we'll be selecting WhatsApp, and also let us select the messaging application and check out how it works. Then simply go back to your home screen and open the application which you had selected on the app. Now just type in anything and use your volume keys to control the cursor. Now the next trick is also very useful. With this trick, you can change the position of the address bar which we see on the Google Chrome web browser. So we generally see the address bar on the top of the screen, but with this trick you can also place the address bar on the bottom of the screen. So that will be really helpful, as if you're using your phone with one hand and if your phone screen is really big like a 6-inch phone, tap on the address bar, then scroll on the Google Chrome web page, it becomes a much harder task. So in order to change the position of the address bar from the top to the bottom of the screen, with which we can easily access the address bar with our one hand, in order to do that, you just simply need to get into the Google Chrome application. Simply tap on the address bar and type in chrome://flags. So once you get into the flags page, on the top of the screen, you'll find a search bar wherein you need to type in home. Now you need to search for the option called Chrome Home. You need to tap on that and you need to make it enabled. So once you make it enabled, then it will give you an option as Relaunch Chrome web browser. Just tap on Relaunch. So once the Chrome application restarts, even now you won't find the address bar on the bottom of the screen. So in order to do that, you need to go back to your home screen, swipe away the Chrome application from your recent app page. Now get back to the Google Chrome application, and there you can see the new look on your Google Chrome web browser. The URL bar has been shifted to the bottom of the screen, and now in the latest update of Google Chrome, if you shift the URL bar to the bottom of the screen, you'll get a new look on your Google Chrome page. Now the next trick is really simple. If you're a fan of fidget spinner, this trick is for you. Some of you might know about this trick, but for those who doesn't know, you will get a fidget spinner game right inside the Google Chrome app. So simply get into the Google Chrome application and type fidget spinner, scroll down a bit, and then you will get the fidget spinner game right over here. Simply spin over here, and also you can tap on the spin option and you can play the game on the Google Chrome page. So the next trick is for the left-hand users of smartphone. I'm not talking about if you use your phone with your left hand, but I'm talking about those users who are left-handed. So if you're a left-handed user, then this trick will help you. So this trick will shift everything on the right part of the screen so that it becomes much more useful for the left-handed users. So in order to do that, you simply need to get into the settings of your device, and once you are in the settings, then you just need to scroll down, or wherever about phone option is there, simply tap on about phone and scroll down. You will get build number. Then simply tap 5 times on the build number and it will enable developer mode. So now once it gets enabled, you simply need to go back to the settings page and then you'll get the developer options over here. Just tap on the developer options and scroll all the way down. You will get this option, force RTL layout direction. So in here you just need to enable this option, force RTL layout direction. So now once you do that, you will see the text have been shifted to the right part of the screen and the toggles have been shifted to the left. So now the left-handed users can use their smartphone without any problem of reachability. So last but not the least, we have this trick which will let you use the zoom in and out feature of the Google Maps application only with your single hand. So you don't need to pinch like this in order to zoom in or out on the Google Maps application. Like when you're driving or you're riding your bike and you want to zoom in on the Google Maps application, you can use this trick and you can zoom in or zoom out very easily. So simply get into the Google Maps application, and on the Maps page, you just need to double tap on the screen and don't lift your finger, just double tap and then swipe up or down, and it will zoom in or out on the Google Maps application. So that's really cool, right? And guys, that was it for the top 8 Android tricks. If you have more Android tricks, then also do let us know that in the comments of this video so that we can bring out those Android tricks in our later videos. So that will be really helpful. So do let us know in the comments down below. And that's all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, hit the like button down below and also subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you guys in the next one.